Hi, today we are going to be discussing how to use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. When it comes to creating the content for affiliate marketing, it is extremely important to get it right. The better the content you create, the higher your chances of converting viewers into customers. So affiliate marketing essentially is a way for us, the affiliate, to sell products on behalf of a company and get a commission from said company. So you can do that with blog posts, social media, YouTube. There are many various areas where you can promote a product, hopefully make sales, and create revenue from the companies that you are promoting. So pretty much there are a few different ways you can go about this. As I just said, you've got blogging, social media, but in terms of the actual content to create, you can do product reviews, comparison posts, lists, and email campaigns. So we'll just get stuck into essentially breaking down each of these and seeing how ChatGPT can help us. So here we've got write a detailed product review for a product name, let's say a Dyson vacuum. I don't have a model, but that should be able to figure something out. Dyson vacuum that highlights its key features, benefits, and pros and cons. Make sure to include a subtle call to action at the end for purchasing through an affiliate link. So now, obviously, if you knew what product you were doing, you would give this more information, a Dyson vacuum and the model of the vacuum cleaner. That way, ChatGPT will actually be able to do proper statistics down here. But here you go, Dyson vacuum review. Is it worth the investment? When it comes to premium vacuums, Dyson has built a reputation for high quality, innovative products. Very true. They are extremely well known. So again, if you know your product, you'll be able to go through here and see how this all looks. I mean, in my mind, it looks fantastic. Interested in getting one for yourself, check it out here. So that's where you would have your affiliate link and see the difference you can make in your cleaning routine. So that has done an amazing job just with one simple little prompt about writing a detailed product review. So, I mean, you could obviously change things up here, but that format itself looks great. If you wanted to change anything, add any information, you could always just reprompt chat to do that for you. Next, we'll look at creating a comparison post of products. So here we might put a, oh boy, Dyson vacuum. Actually, no, I'll just pause this for a second, grab two products and be back. Okay, so we're going for toasters this time. We've got a Sunbeam toaster and a Russell Hobbs toaster, highlighting the differences in features, price, and target audience, and with a recommendation on which is better for specific users. So here we go. Now, hopefully we get some actual proper features that it should have researched. Oh, comparison table, always nice. That makes your content look a lot better. Warranties, key features, branding control, price comparisons, design and aesthetics. Now, I don't know if I'd personally... No, that's not too bad. Final recommendation. For style-conscious users, a Sunbeam is a better choice. For budget buyers, a Russell Hobbs. Value for those who want functional, no-nonsense toaster. And there you've got your affiliate links down the bottom again. So that in itself could nearly just be copied, pasted straight into whatever you were doing, whether it's a newsletter, a blog post. Obviously not, well, if you're using YouTube as a way to generate an income and you wanted to use affiliate posts, you would just have your own website and you would create a page that you would then link to from YouTube to your website to this page, and then people could link out to the actual purchases. So that's another way of doing things. Now we've got listicles. Listicles are great. They come up with, so top 5 best product category listicle with a brief. So top 5 best fishing rod combos. Write a top 5 best fishing rod combo listicle with a brief description of each product, highlighting key features and who they're best suited for. Include a call to action after each product. Okay, so that's loaded up. Top 5 best fishing rod combos for every angler. So there, if this was on a blog post, you might have actually angled down a little bit more for a specific type of angler. It would just help to niche down into a particular area, which might not be so broad, and help this page to rank a little bit better on Google. Tightening up your niche is always a good idea. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced angler, choosing the right fishing rod combo can make a huge difference. Ugly stick, so it does describe it, goes into some detail, brief description, call to action, check out ugly stick. So as you can see here, it's created a 5-point listicle. Call to actions behind each one. You wouldn't write call to action there, you would change that to neaten it up. So do not use the word call to action. Just create a call to action before providing link. Yeah, listicles are fantastic. It's one of my preferred methods because you were doing SEO comparisons. You're kind of exposing a lot more brand potential. Therefore, yeah, everyone's got opinions. If you're into fishing, you would have opinions on different brands. So by doing a listicle, you can cast your net out over multiple brands in one post, allowing people that might be, that might prefer a certain brand. Hopefully that brand is here somewhere, and they would be more likely to click and go ahead with the purchase. So let's see. Discover more about Ugly Stick. Find the pen. Check out. Learn more. Yeah, okay, that will do. It's not the most powerful call to action, but that's all it needs to be. So there we have that one. Now next is email campaigns. So email campaigns, you have built your list through whatever avenue you have, whether it's a blog post, your social media, you're offering some type of value where people then sign up to receive something from you. They sign up with their email address, and then from there they enter your email funnel. If you check the pinned description down below, the pinned comment down below, you will see my email funnel where I am offering you the free guide. I'm just being open and honest. I'm offering you the free guide on how to do all what I'm showing you today. I'll also incorporate extra prompts to really help you out. And from there, if you're nice enough to download that guide that I give you, you enter my email funnel, where at the moment I don't have it very well built. I just have a few free prompt lists and things like that for you, but eventually I will build it out into a, it could be a 20 email funnel where I have got informational articles, but then also, every third, fourth, fifth article will be a monetized article where I am offering an affiliate product. So let's go. Write a promotional email for, let's use me as an example, for my YouTube channel, AI Legend Online, focusing on its key benefits and including a compelling call to action where I want people to purchase my AI prompt course, for example. I don't actually have one, but just for examples, let's see how this goes. So, subject. Unlock the power of AI with AI Legend Online. Nice, strong, solid subject line that should hopefully hook the reader in. If you're ready to take your AI skills to the next level, then you need to check out my YouTube channel. I'm sharing over-the-shoulder tutorials breaking down how to master AI tools like ChatGPT to streamline your work and spark creativity. But that's not all. To help you fast-track your journey, I've created an AI prompt course that dives deeper into creating effective prompts that can transform how you work with AI. Ready to get started? They'd click there and get taken through to my course sales page. So, depending on what affiliate product you're doing, you could add as much information into this as you like, this prompt. The more information you feed it, obviously the more focused your newsletter content will be. And just a quick tip for anyone that likes to try new things, contact your local dentists, local doctors and things like that. See if they are doing newsletters. A lot of these places have got emails and thousands of emails from their customers, and they're not doing email marketing. So you can actually take over their marketing or offer them a service where you will create email marketing for them, newsletters that you start sending out to their email list. And you could be promoting teeth whitening for a dentist. You can promote all the different bits and pieces, their yearly checkups. And for any person that you get going into the dentist surgery, you can make a commission, or you just charge them a certain amount per month for you to do their marketing for them. That's actually quite a good strategy that not many people do, and I highly suggest it. But you do have to get out there and do some groundwork building a clientele. So blog posts. Now, blog posts, it's going to be far more in depth about your affiliate post, which is why I prefer just your listicles, your comparisons, because they're short, they're sweet, nice and easy. But sometimes it is a good idea to get a little bit more in depth. Write a blog post about what are we going to say? Lawnmowers, subtly incorporating affiliate links for Toro Lawn Master 5000. Actually, maybe I won't make a name up. Toro Zero Turn Mowers. Focus on giving value and positioning the affiliate products as a solution. Toro is the right brand, yes. So the ultimate guide to choosing the right lawnmower for you, for your yard. So this will actually be interesting. It's going to try and steer people into the zero-turn mower. Why zero-turn mowers are a smart choice. Yes, have they mentioned Toro there? Toro here, okay, so mowers. Okay, so that's provided some little bit of value to the reader, and then just pushed for the affiliate link down here. So there's your blog posts. Now with these, if you're blogging, obviously you want to do some keyword research, optimize it for SEO, but you've got your H1, H2, they could all be H3s, H2, you could probably H3 that. But yeah, so there's blog posts. What else did we need to cover? I think that pretty much does it. I mean, if you've got content already written and you want to try and add affiliate links into content already, you can always just ask ChatGPT to optimize your content. So what you could do is paste something here that you've written. Give me a second. Okay, now this is, well, we're talking about Grammarly. This is just a very quick demonstration, but I have a new affiliate. I'm great at spelling. Why is it not even there? What is going on? It's all over the place. I have a new affiliate offer that would work well with this article I've written. Can you please incorporate my new affiliate into the below text? My affiliate is Grammarly. I've just copied and pasted something from ChatGPT's webpage. Let's see if it can maximize your writing skill with Grammarly. Hasn't worked perfectly, but I've gone for something unrelated just to give you an idea. But yeah, so say you had a blog post already written or you've got content already written, you can just come into it and ask ChatGPT to go through and incorporate your affiliate links into it. Anyway, I hope you guys have learned a thing or two. Again, if you want to check out a better guide on how to do all of this, I will have it in the pinned comments below. Please check it out. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.